Lordship, this was happening on 24th of June. This was Honorable Chief Minister was holding one meeting with all chairmen of various municipalities of the state. And that administrative meeting was broadcasted widely through all electronics media and the social medias also. In social media, your lordship knows there are public options. Public can go and make their comments. Lordship, kindly come to page 22. There is Shine Sultan. The first comment on Nandita Chaudhury's 40 number ওয়ার্ডে 797-1 মোল্লাপাড়া লেনে অবৈধ নির্মাণ হচ্ছে। সেকেন্ড, শাইন সুলতান হাওড়া 37 নম্বর ওয়ার্ডে 27 নম্বর ওয়ার্ডে 12 কাটা পুকুর বুঝিয়ে ফেলেছে এমএলএ সাচ অ্যান্ড সাচ অরূপ রায়। শাইন সুলতান, সৈকত চৌধুরী সব থেকে বড় চোর, বড় জমি মাফিয়া, ওর থেকে বড় দুর্নীতিবাজ কেউ নেই। This was made, these comments were made. Now, Lordship, kindly come to.
Tell me one thing. Your complaint was against one Nandita Chaudhury. Next is another MLA. And third is one Shoikat Chaudhury. Who is the Shushoban Chattopadhyay and Prosenjit Chakraborty?
Nobody. That is my point. That is the point of law which I am going to argue. That on the basis of this and what has disclosed here, Lordship, kindly see.
Is the police taking any steps against you?
My husband has been arrested. He's in custody.
Your husband? Who are you?
I'm wife.
Shahina Khatun. Who is this Shine Sultan?
My husband. My husband's ID name is Shine Sultan. Irshad Sultan. This is Facebook page.
Husband has been arrested because of this.
Yes.
Yes, tell me.
On the basis, may I just divide the two into two portions. One is as far his arrest is concerned. The next part is as far as his complaint is concerned. As far as the arrest is concerned, my lord, he has made certain comments and things while during a live transmission going on the basis of which we received two complaints. On the basis of that, my lord, two cases were recorded as far as two persons are concerned. Both the cases, my lord, it is less than offenses which are recorded for the offenses less than 7 years. So, my lord, we went to give him notice under section 41A. My lord, as your lordship knows, my lord, under section 41A, when there's an offense, there is no absolute bar, but it is that we generally do not arrest. We issue notice under section 41A for him to come. We went over there, but he did not cooperate. He doesn't accept. And he says that when he was told that do not repeat the offense, he takes a different aggressive stand. After which he was arrested, which is permissible in law, and provided subject to the fact that I file a checklist before the magistrate concerned while he's being produced. So this is all. This is there in the judgment, the statute under the CRPC and under the judgment of Arnesh Kumar. In compliance with that, we filed a checklist before the magistrate, and on the basis of which he was taken into custody. This is as far as the first part is concerned. The second part is concerned, we have also inquired into the threat part of it, but nothing could be substantiated about it. These are the two parts to it. Your lordship so desires, I shall give your lordship the detail of everything that is there.
Tell me, the page 22, there are certain comments. Are these the comments which resulted in his arrest?
Lordship. No, these are not only the ones. There are allegations against the comments have been made by against two persons.
Was there any bar for the comments to come up? If there is a public meeting and there is a forum when the public can ventilate their grievances.
No, this was not in the forum. This was not in that forum. No.
Very well. Suppose it is not in the forum. It is somewhere else. Where is the bar? A person cannot ventilate his grievance.
No, but a person can ventilate, but as long as you do not defame anybody.
Defamation is a different thing. You go and arrest
section
somebody.
500 is defamation.
You go and arrest somebody, and who has been defamed? The names of the persons as who lodged the complaint.
No.
Who is this Prosenjit and who is this?
Prosenjit has been done at the behest. The complaint is as far as the allegations made, the defamations made against Arup Rai.
Did Arup Rai lodge any complaint?
It is not necessary. These are complaints which are made on behalf of Arup Rai.
What are you saying? Not on behalf. This petitioner lodges complaint against Arup Rai.
No, petitioner made certain comments.
Against Arup Rai.
Yes, which were defamatory.
Defamation, whether it is defamatory or not, it's related to Arup Rai himself. Why will others come in?
Today, at the behest of Arup Rai,
This is absolute excess action on the part of the police, it seems.
May I just punishment for defamation? Whoever defames another shall be punished with a simple imprisonment for a term which may extend up 2 years, or with fine, or with both. Now, this is this section under which he was given. As I said, your Lordship will notice 2 years. So it's less than 7 years. So the complaint was made under section 500. If your Lordship reads the section, it does not require that the person against whom this statement is made, he has to only, that is not a mandatory.
Defamation, I say something to you and excess complaint will be acted upon and a person will be put in custody.
No, put in
Where is
custody.
the law?
Put in custody is secondary portion. That is because of non-compliance of section 41A. I'm coming to this. As far as the custody is different, as far as the section is concerned.
First of all, there has to be a complaint from the person who alleged the defamation has taken place.
This is not a requirement under the statute.
So anybody can lodge a complaint for defaming somebody.
If today somebody says something against anybody,
yes,
it is not mandatory that
that person has to come. Anybody XYZ can come forward.
And somebody can also.
And the offense of defamation has to be proved first. Then only the question of punishment arises.
No. But that portion I'm coming to. So, this is, your Lordship will see, for 2 years.
Yes.
So, therefore, it is, as per the judgment in the case of Anesh Kumar, when it is an offense less than 2 years, then what happens? Then the police will not arrest. The police will issue notice under section 41A. That is what the law is. Your Lordship can take it from me. I'm not misleading your Lordship. Your Lordship can take that from me. Now, when the police go to effect service of notice under section 41A to ask him to come for questioning, it is not a question of punishment or anything. That's the time he is the very obstructive. He does not cooperate. Under section, I shall show to your Lordship that under section 41A, if today a situation does arise, normally we will not arrest anybody for an offense less than 7
When
years.
did the arrest take place? When did the arrest take place?
Sunday.
Sunday was the
28, Lordship. 28 evening.
When did the arrest take place?
From the police station itself, I went to the police station.
Myself.
And from where was he arrested? When and from where?
That
Police station.
not from his house, I'm told. This is my instruction.
Let him show the documents. And on which date? Which date?
Lordship gives me a day, I should file a report.
No, today itself.
No.
The officer is here. I want the answer today itself.
No. What is it that your Lordship wants?
The date of arrest?
Yes,
The
30th.
place? 30th?
30th. 30th.
30th. And the place?
Not from the house.
From the house. Complaint was lodged when? 28th. And immediately you arrest on the 30th.
No, not immediate. 28th and 30th. So
2 days. Within 2 days. Punishment is 2 years. You arrest him immediately.
As I said, it is not for the section. It is because of non-compliance of section 41A.
Non-compliance. When did you give the notice? Let me see the notice.
That on notice under section 41A.
Let me see.
He went to the police station and he was arrested from the police station. Let the CCTV footage. And Lordship, my learned senior friend might have forgotten section 199 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, which clearly states, prosecution for defamation. No court shall take cognizance of an offense punishable under chapter 21 of the Indian Penal Code except upon the complaint made by some persons aggrieved by the offense, provided that where such person is under the age of 18 years. So apart from that, there is a bar on police.
Let me see. Please see. Show me the notice under section 40.
Right now.
Why? Tell your officer to bring it. I'll take it at 1:15.
The police officer shall, in all cases where the arrest of a person is not required, that is the precondition, not required. Under the provisions of subsection 1 of section 41, issue a notice directing person against whom a reasonable complaint has been made or credible information has been received or a reasonable suspicion exists that he has committed a cognizable offense to appear before him or at such place he as may be specified in the notice. Where the notice is issued to the person, it shall be the duty of that person to comply with the terms of the notice. But my case is that when it was sought to be served, he refused. Then kindly take where the person complies and continues to comply with the notice, he shall not be arrested. So 3 doesn't come. In respect of the offense referred to in the notice,
Listen, this notice is dated 30th of June. Direction was given upon him to appear on 1st of July
Right.
2024.
right?
You arrest him on the 30th itself.
He did not accept it.
Very well. Assuming he does not accept it on that date, he could have, since it was brought to his notice, you could have waited till the first at least.
Please take note
You did
subsection
not do
3.
it. I think it is an absolute excess action on the part of the police. Very overzealous.
May I kindly take note paragraph 7 then
Paragraph 7 of this judgment.
of this judgment.
Yes.
But paragraph 7 quotes Millard section 41. Sorry, yes, 41. Now please take Millard 7.1. From a plain reading of the aforesaid provisional evidence that the person accused of an offence with imprisonment for a term which may be less than 7 years or which may extend to 7 years with or without found cannot be arrested by the police officer only on his satisfaction that such person has committed the offence as aforesaid.
Which is the offence as aforesaid that he has committed?
Millard 501, 505, 1B.
And 5.
And 500, but I don't trouble your lordship with the other one because that.
Because 500 was the submission made in the morning.
And 5.
Yes, 500,
501.
501, 505, 1B, which is cognizable. And 3 years punishment.
Statements conducting to public mischief. What is the statement which was the public mischief?
But having a tendency, kindly have a look to that.
Yes. What is the tendency? If somebody makes a protest of any illegality that is going on,
It's not a protest. Well,
objection,
it is an aspersion given that X is
aspersion.
that.
Assuming it's an aspersion, it is at the aspersion level. It has not been adjudicated by any court of law. Do you want to gag people?
No,
They
no, no.
cannot express their opinion that somebody is doing something wrong.
Millard, the point is, Millard, again, Millard, I repeat, Millard, as in the other petitions, Millard, what obligation do I have at that
Yes.
stage?
What obligation do you have to go and arrest people?
First, Millard, as I was saying, Millard, in very many petitions, Millard, that Millard, do I have any authority to verify the allegations at that stage? Please consider this.
Lordship, that's why cognizable and not cognizable is being
No,
made.
this is the
This differentiation.
Show me exactly what prompted you to arrest him. What was the
I
what
went
was
with
the
Millard, is my learned friend's clients denying that 41A notice was sought to be served on them?
Yes, he went to the police station to cooperate. Let
and
them
when from where was he arrested?
from police
From his-
station.
from house.
I deny upon instruction I state he was arrested.
And this will be adjudicated in the writ jurisdiction.
No, it will not be adjudicated. You are curbing someone's personal liberty. It is here the court is interfering. The court will not interfere with the merits
Right.
of the matter.
Now, therefore, Millard, if he had cooperated, then Millard, I had
Cooperation means towing the line of the police.
no.
Does it mean so?
Millard, come to me, give a statement.
Come to me on 1st, arrested on the 30th. Please come. I
Millard,
am not listening to anything else.
very good.
The husband of the petitioner was arrested by the Shivpur police station on 30th of June 2024, allegedly because he failed to accept the notice under section 41 caps A CRPC, 41 caps A CRPC, dated 30th June 2024, directing him to appear on 1st of July 2024 at 11 a.m. in the Shivpur police station. Stop. FIR was lodged against the person concerned, being FIR case number 292/24 dated 28th of June 2024 under section 500 within bracket 1 within bracket B slash 500 IPC. Stop. Paragraph. The notice mentioned that failure to attend / comply with the terms of this notice of the notice could render the addressee liable for arrest under section 41 caps A within bracket 3 and within bracket 4 of CRPC. Stop. The sections mentioned in the notice under section 41 caps A CRPC, especially section 500 within bracket 1 within bracket B IPC, is not available in the rule book. Stop. Paragraph. The act of the police in fixing the date of appearance on 1st July 24, but arresting him on 30th of June 2024, on the date the notice under section 41 caps A CRPC was issued, appears to be an overzealous act of the police officer. Stop. Next. Here, the allegation against the petitioner is primarily under section 500 and 505
1B.
within bracket 1 within bracket small a
B.
B IPC. Stop. Paragraph. The complaint is allegedly filed on the complaint which triggered the police to take steps was allegedly lodged on 28 June 2024. Stop.
So 2 complaints within 10 minutes of difference.
Complaints have.
One is in page 20.
Yes, yes.
And one is
Next, the husband of the petitioner had made a comment against one of the members of the ruling dispensation who also happens to be the member of the Legislative Assembly.
In one case.
In one
case.
In one case.
Other one is one Highcourt Chaudhary Lordship. I don't know his
Anyway,
status is
stop.
not given.
Next.
Must be something powerful.
Only because a citizen has protested or tried to highlight the illegalities or corruption at the end of a member of the ruling dispensation and against a member of the Legislative Assembly, the police ought not to have taken such stringent step to curtail the freedom of the said citizen. Stop. Paragraph. It has been submitted by the learned AG that the person concerned was produced before the learned magistrate and he is presently in judicial custody. Stop. Paragraph. As it prima facie appears that the act of detention and arrest appears to be the act of high-handedness on the part of the police officer. Accordingly, the court is minded to pass direction for immediate release of the husband of the petitioner. Stop. The person concerned should be released from custody by 5 p.m. today. Stop. Let this order be communicated to the concerned authority at once.
Lordship, concerned
The
jail
notice-
authority, Lordship.
Jail authority.
And Lordship,
Acha, the notice under
protection for
section
the family
41
members and the
caps A CRPC dated 30th of June 2024 be written with the records.
Lordship, only one
My lord, that is
prayer.
the original. My lord.
Protection for
We
the family,
provide as per
Photocopy.
photocopy.
protection for the family members and the petitioner, Lordship.
He
Who
protects.
will protect you? The same police who is going to arrest you is going to give you
I think
protection.
so,
Do
sir.
you expect?
I do not expect,
Then-
but Lordship, I should expect at least since the Advocate General is present here. Lordship, only one prayer, Lordship. Page 34, I lodged a complaint expressing my concern over my security. And my wife and my children, my family members are staying there. These people who have been named are very
The officer in charge, Shipur Police Station, shall take into consideration the complaint filed by the petitioner on
28/6/24 before the Commissioner of Police, Howrah.
Then how can the SP, the officer in charge to Commissioner of Police Howrah? যেখানে বললাম ওসি সেটা হবে Commissioner of Police Howrah. Shall take into consideration the on 28th of June 2024. Annexed at page
It's in page number, Lordship, page 34.
34 of the writ petition. ঠিক আছে? Yes. Call the next passover matter.
Grateful, my lord.
My lord, we are providing my lord, a photocopy of the section 41.
এই ফটোকপিটা রেকর্ডে রেখে দেবেন তো। Yes.